Alright, so holiday number 11. Our last spot, number 12, K. Good letter, Kai Trump, Kevin McConaughey, Connor Griffin, Kaka. Alright, so we'll go grab a box. Go with that. So R9. So 4-4. Rosario, our spot con. So Drew Brees auto would be sweet. So Silver True 101. So that's Drew Brees and Santa. So for the D spot, Ethan. Happy holidays. Little Barry Sanders. So 1 of 2 green. Spot, Ethan. Little Brooksy. So 1 of 2 ice. He's left live. He goes back to PGA Tour. It's Ethan. And a little Scat Pack. It's a 2 of 2 Scataboo. So horse and Santa sleigh, green. And then put a reindeer on that. Guys, so box number 11, close 12. 12 still marinating.